Becoming an American citizen can be confusing, so instead of getting lost in all the information, we've made the process easier.
It's one spot, one bag that you could take home that would have everything in one place.
In our New Americans and Refugees Welcome Kits, you'll find information about the naturalization test and more.
Information you need to study to become an American citizen, and includes flashcards for the civic test, includes a copy of our Constitution and our Declaration of Independence. We've also included material on Charleston so that they can become better acquainted to our area. We'll also have another book in as well that's going to talk about the culture of in America. So somebody who's not acquainted with our cultural habits, they'll have more information like tipping or how to greet your fellow American.
And all you need to check out a kit is your library card.
Public libraries are open to everybody, and we certainly want to welcome the new individuals to our area.
These welcome kits are available now at our main and regional branches. I'll see you next Monday to meet your library.